Welcome to the channel The Practical Study. Guys, today I am going to discuss very interesting topic that if you have a 1 megawatt gas engine and it is running on 80% load, then how much chilling capacity you can get by the byproduct of gas engine. What means by byproduct? When gas engine works, then by its exhaust you can install hot flue absorption chiller, and by its jacket water you can install hot water absorption chiller. Now today we have to calculate that what will be the capacity of hot flue absorption chiller on 1 megawatt gas engine which is running at 80% load, and what will be the capacity of hot water absorption chiller on 1 megawatt gas engine which is running on 80% load. For hot water absorption chiller, the available heat in jacket water of gas engine will be 386 kilowatt, which I have already told you in my previous video that how to calculate cogeneration efficiency, that how this heat we have get. So available heat in hot water of jacket water of gas engine is 386 kilowatt. Converting this 386 kilowatt into 131,032 BTU, because 1 kilowatt is equal to 3412 BTU. So you have calculated the available heat in hot water in BTUs, and you also know that 1 ton of refrigeration requires 12,000 BTUs. So dividing the available heat by the refrigeration heat of 12,000 which is required for 1 ton, you can install 109 ton. So if you install hot flue absorption chiller on 1 megawatt gas engine which is running on 80%, then the available heat, which I have already discussed in my cogeneration efficiency video, that available heat in exhaust of 1 megawatt engine which is running on 80% is 393. Now converting this kilowatt of heat into BTUs, so, and also we know that 1 ton of refrigeration requires 12,000 BTUs. So net capacity of chiller will be get by available heat divided by per ton energy required. So available heat in exhaust gas is 13,40,916 divided by 12,000. So net capacity of 1 megawatt engine exhaust chiller is equal to 111 refrigeration ton. So the total refrigeration tonnage which you can install on a 1 megawatt gas engine is 109 plus 111, so 220 ton of refrigeration chiller you can install on an engine of 1 megawatt as a byproduct. So this was our today's video. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please share your comments and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.